Hey beauties, today I'm sharing a beauty maintenance vlog. I am going to get a Morpheus8, and a lot of you might ask, what is a Morpheus8? Morpheus8 is a micro needling device that utilizes radio frequency energy to remodel and contour your face and or body via subdermal antipose remodeling. This fractional treatment penetrates deep into the skin and fat for a smoother and sleeker appearance. Come along with me today. I'm going to share my journey and vlog my experience getting my first Morpheus8. So I'm just at the Dunkin' drive-thru right now. I'm gonna pick up a Dunkin', an iced tea, and then I'm gonna go get a Morpheus treatment. I'm so scared, you guys, because I don't know, I booked it, and because everybody at the Medspa that I go to, their skin is so amazing, and I was like, what are you girls doing? And they were all like, we do Morpheus. So I was like, I gotta get that. Well, lo and behold, I think I gotta get off this line because I'm gonna be late for my appointment. But I booked it, and then I didn't think about what it's gonna be like after. Like, is there a recovery time? I don't know why I didn't think of that, because I've gotten other laser treatments and it's always, it's always fine. So I figured it'd be fine, but then I started thinking, wait a minute, maybe this is more intense. Maybe it's not gonna be, maybe it's gonna be some downtime. Well, then I Googled it this morning. You'd think I would have did that before I booked the treatment, right? No, these people were so red. They were like, it takes a week to get their skin back. So I'm hoping, I'm gonna ask them maybe if I can just get a clear and brilliant, because that's what I usually get. They call that a baby laser. It's because it's not, it's not, there's no downtime. But this Morpheus, there might be a downtime. I might be coming out like, who's that girl, Willy Wonka? She just turned purple and red. And now I'm supposed to be there. I figured I'm right down the street from my house. Let me get a Dunkin', and this is the first time ever there's a line. So I should get off this line while I can, because otherwise I'm gonna be stuck. But then I won't have Dunkin' Donuts. The trials and tribulations, you guys. Okay, now they're moving. Let me just be right. Yeah, I'm just gonna go in and grab it, because I'll be trapped on the line. You know how you get trapped in the circle and I can't get out, and I gotta get to the place. Okay, so I'll be right back. You guys, I just left. I know I look crazy, right? Oh my gosh. My face feels so weird. I feel so weird right now. Okay, let me tell you what happened. So Elaine, Dr. Elaine, she does the Morpheus, and before she did it, they numbed me for an hour, and then she was like, this is really gonna hurt. So I said, oh my God, what have I got myself into? But you guys, seriously, it didn't really hurt that much. I think the Clear and Brilliant actually hurt more. So if you want to get this, I personally did not think it hurt. I really didn't think it hurt that bad. You do feel like kind of, I guess there's needles and they're kind of going in your face, but no, I don't think it hurt at all. But now here she did under my eye, so she said I might have a bruise, or I do have a bruise there, but it's okay, because hopefully, it's gonna fill up my under eyes naturally without filler, because she said my skin's gonna be producing collagen now. And so far, and I'm not even that red, I'm not even that red, because I was looking at pictures on the computer and people were so red. So hopefully it doesn't get worse than this, because this is not bad. She did my neck and chest. I'm so happy, because she did this for free, so she's so nice. I don't know if I posted this video, but yeah, Dr. Elaine is so nice, because she does, the injections and Morpheus and laser, but she also helps children. Like, she goes to different countries and she does the cleft palate. She helps the doctors, and she herself does certain things that she's just always helping children. So she's such a nice person. So yeah, look at that, guys. I don't think I look that bad. My face, I feel like my face looks bigger. It looks like I got cheek injections, right? And you guys, she said that the Morpheus laser actually dissolves fat. So she kind of said that, she dissolved a little bit of a fat type of situation here, like a little fat deposit, I guess. And then she did something to my cheek. So we'll see how I'm gonna look. 'Cause she said that the ultimate result from this Morpheus laser you see after 3 months. So, but that's good. Hopefully I'll see results in 3 months, or maybe I think I'm going to see results sooner. I feel like my face looks fuller, and I saw like pictures on the computer, and people had gotten it under their eyes, and it filled in the under eye. It made the under eye produce collagen, and then it looked fuller. And so hopefully that will happen for me. So I'm so excited, guys. I'm so happy. It was 12. I just want to let you guys know in case you're interested. But to do the face and neck was $1,200. If I had just did my face, it would have been $800. And then she did do this, like I said, she didn't charge me for this. So she said, now I can put arnica on this to help. And she gave me a little sample here. And so I will have everything for Dr. Elaine. It's Vivash is the name of her medical spa. And so I'll have it linked down below. She has different locations, so I'll link it. Hopefully it's only in New York though, like upper Westchester area. And I think she's gonna be moving to a location in Beacon, New York. She said it's so nice there. So I've never been there, so I'm really excited because I'm gonna go visit her there once once she opens there. But she's amazing. She's a miracle worker. My lips are numb, so I feel funny talking. I can't feel my lips. Let me try to drink. Let's see what happens when I try to have a drink, you guys. Okay, I can drink. Oh, she did the Morpheus on my area here, my hooding. So hopefully it's going to firm up my hooding. I'm so excited, guys, to see what do you guys think? Hopefully I'll come out looking good. Why not? So I don't, okay. Can I tell you guys, I try not to spend a lot of money. So this is like I save my money for like certain special things like this or makeup, but anyway, or let's be honest, or a purse here and there. But anyway, guys, listen to this though. Now they are all, professional. They're doctors and nurses, and they all specialize in, probably aesthetics, plastic surgery. And so they were just telling me how there's so many girls that come in. Actually, the nurse that works with Dr. Elaine, she was telling me how she used to work for a plastic surgeon, and there were so many young girls coming in. Everybody was getting a brow lift. And I was like, what? Young girls? She was like, very young girls, like 20 years old, coming in, no problem, left and right, to get a brow lift. Can you believe that? And it's $10,000. So for me, this was a huge splurge today, $1,200. But she said no, like people must have trust funds or whatever, their parents pay for it. But anyway, yeah, she said everybody is getting a brow lift. And then she said that Bella Hadid got a facelift. Can you believe? I can't believe that, because you always think people get a facelift. Personally, I imagine like senior citizen looking people, like there's just no. Young girls getting facelifts, no problem. She was like, yeah, it's no big deal. She goes, everybody's getting them, like young people, 32 years old, 30 years old. And a facelift, $20,000. Can you believe that? I couldn't believe it. And she said it's so addicting. People get so addicted to, to going under the knife. I could see getting addicted to this, to just this treatment that I got right now, but I could see getting addicted, but I don't have like unlimited funds, or I could totally see getting addicted to this. It's a rush. It really is. And look at this. Hopefully my neck is going to come out. I feel like guys, okay. Watch me turn into like Jocelyn Wildenstein right before your eyes. If I swear to God, though, if I had a lot of money, you probably... No, but the thing about me that is actually probably... I'm lucky, is in a way, is I'm scared of going under the needle. I'm so terrified of surgery. You have no idea. And that's why even I had to have surgery. I don't know if you guys saw my video. I had to have a surgery for the doctor I had these cells. Oh my, it was the worst thing ever. But I swear to God, after the surgery though, I was like, oh, this is nothing. I should have been getting everything like the Kardashians way back when. But I'm too scared. Otherwise, I would love to get breast implants, liposuction, whatever, everybody, you know, all these things, but I'm too scared. But now, anyway, guys, what I'm saying is, yeah, I'd be too scared to get a brow lift or a facelift. Wow. But yeah, she said well, that's how you're seeing such these dramatic results, like with Bella Hadid, when you see before and afters. And I actually met Bella Hadid in real life, and I'm telling you, like in real life, she looked so gorgeous. But this was like about 3 years ago, because I've seen some recent pictures online, and she's looks like maybe she lost a lot of weight and she doesn't look healthy. But I don't know. But when I saw her, she looked so beautiful. Actually, her skin looked maybe like how my skin's gonna come out now, because her skin looked amazing. And I didn't want to ask her though, like, what'd you do? But when I came here, all of the nurses and Dr. Elaine, they have this beautiful, it's the same skin as Bella Hadid had. And I asked them, I said, what did you do? Like, how did you get that? And they said it's from Morpheus. So hopefully I'll have that look now too, because it's like your skin is poreless when you get this Morpheus treatment, maybe, hopefully. And it just looks like doll-like. It just looks amazing. So I'm excited for it. And she said, you know, if you have a lot of fat, if you have a chin, a double chin, even though you can use Morpheus to dissolve fat, she could have dissolved my double chin. She did do a little. She said, I had a little one. So she did a little fat dissolving, but that's pretty much it. I will hop back on with, you know, in a week or so. And well, you guys are like, no, girl, you'll be here tomorrow. I'll be back tomorrow and let you guys know like how it's going. But I wasn't going to go shop at the mall. I just wanted to go to Ulta and see what's new, but I thought I couldn't go, but I think I look fine enough to go to the mall. What do you guys think? When they were telling me, they go, it's going to be so painful. And when I saw pictures online, these people were like, look like like they got burned. But I think I look fine. So I feel, you know, who cares? I look like I just maybe hung over. So I probably could go to Ulta. What do you guys think? Or do you think I'll look cray? Anyway, guys, let me know. Maybe I want to go to Ulta, because I'm finally out the house, you know, without the dogs. So now it's my chance to have fun. So anyway, guys, okay, I'll be back. I will come back and update you and let you guys know what my results are so far. And now, just to let you guys know, though, some people do go back and they get a series of 3 if you have a lot of fat to dissolve or something like that. But she said I don't need to do that. So I'm just going to go every 6 months, she said. Should be good enough to, you know, maintain. So anyway, guys, again, I'll be back. I love you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.